First, I'm going to show you how to build a paddle stand. Take this, put it in there, and take this and put that there. Take this, put that there, and this there. Now, take this and put that up there. Oh, no. There. Take this, put that there. Then take this, put that there. Then again, take another one of these and put them there. Another one, put that on top. And then this over there. Now, that there. And then these two pieces. Put them on top, put that there. And you have the paddle stand. Now I'm going to show you how to make the ghost. I also made a miniature Mia and a Master Wu. First we're going to start with Moro. Take two of these, stack them on top, and if you have a line, just put that at the bottom. Then take one of these, then this line, if you have this in line, just use it. Then put this black for the hair, and then use one of these crystals for the roan crystal. I got it from a Lego City set, and you have more. Next I'm going to show you how to make a ghost. So take one of this, and then put that in. I don't have any more of these in green, so I'm just using gray. Put that there. And I have these, I'm going to put them there. And for his weapon, I have this small knife from a Dragon Hunter set of mine, and I'm going to put that there. Next, I'm going to show you how to make this ghost. So take this, then take these two and put them on top like that. And there you go. Now this ghost. I'm just going to use a black face as well, because I saw in the season possession they also have black faces. So I'm just going to copy the body for this one, but I'm just going to put something else for the top, a hat. Here we go. Now I'm going to show you how to make Master Wu. So first I'm going to use this white for the bottom. I do have this golden brick from the Ninjago set that comes with Lloyd's Dragon and the Overlord, and I'm going to put that on top. Then I'm going to take this grey one and then put that on top. Then this yellow rounder, then put that on top. And then I saw in the season possession he has this golden hat, so I found one of these golden plates and I put it on top. Now Nia, I have this type of color for her. That's the proper one, and I have this type of blue that's perfect, and I'm gonna put that on top, and another one of these. Now I'm gonna use this yellow face and this here, and here we have the ghosts and Master Wu and Nia. Now I'm gonna show you how to build the preeminent. So first take these and put them like that. Then you can take one of this and put it on top. Then this, put it right under there. Then, now for the legs. We'll take this, then take this and put that there. And take these two. Now take these, and then just put these all around. And for the little hole in the middle, I'm going to use one of these transparent green circles. And now for the hands. First I'm going to take one of this, then attach one of these clips there. Then I'm going to take this and attach it like that. Then for the top I'm going to use this, and then this there. I have this face from a Minecraft set, a bat, and make another one of those but without this piece on top, just one, like that. And now we can make, just attach this there, that there, and you have the preeminent. Now I'm gonna put everything on the stand. I'm gonna put the preeminent. I made this special hole here to put the preeminent. And I'm just gonna put her. I might need to take the legs off to put her. And now I'm gonna put. I took this piece so I can put Moro there. And now I'll just put the ghosts in random areas. There. And the paddle steamer, I'm gonna put it all the way there. And Nia and Master Wu, I don't really want to put them anywhere, but you can put them on the paddle steamer if you want. If you want to, wherever you can fit them. And here you have Cursed World Part 2 from the season Possession.